Hello everyone, welcome to Red Online School Education. Today we are going to study subject Geography Standard 9th lesson number 7 International Dateline. Students, in previous video we learned about solution to the confusion of days. Means we learned that when we cross the 180-degree meridian, some precautions need to be taken like the direction of travel and the current day and date. We learned about while traveling from Japan to America, we need to consider the existing day and date. On the contrary, while traveling from America to Japan and crossing the ideal, one needs to add a day to the date. So today we are again going to study about international dateline. See, first one, our 24-hour day starts at 12 midnight. Because of the Earth's rotation, midnight occurs at different times at different places. Means because of the, we learn that Earth rotates around itself in 360 degrees. Means Earth rotates from west to east. That's why in term of a time, the eastern part of the Earth is ahead of the western part. So our 24-hour day starts at 12 midnight, and as the earth in spherical shape, every place has a place to its east. You can see in the observe in the diagram also how the one longitude come in front of the sun. That's why as the earth in spherical shape, every place has a place to its east. Then what location to the east does the day start on the earth? Means to get an answer of these many questions like this, representative of many nations got together under the leadership of American professor Davidson in the year 1884 and decided on the international dateline, and the line was drawn opposite to the Greenwich prime meridian. You can see in the diagram, these two lines are shown in the diagram also, prime meridian and ideal, that is the prime opposite of the Greenwich mean time. Prime meridian, that is international dateline, was drawn with the reference of 180-degree meridian, and it is an international convention to change the day and time while crossing this line. Next, an attempt has been made to make the ideal pass through the Pacific Ocean, because if the new day started on the land part, it would have led the confusion on the day and date to the west and east of the place. To avoid this confusion, new day and the day starts and ends on ideal, and ideal is drawn with the reference to 180-degree meridian which passes through the Pacific Ocean. You can see in the diagram also, this line ideal completely falls on the Pacific Ocean because there is no confusion about the day and time, and this is why the new day starts in the Pacific Ocean on the earth. And means see, next point is given that although the ideal is drawn with the reference to 180-degree meridian, international dateline is not a straight line like 180-degree meridian. You can observe in the diagram, see how the international dateline is turned to the east and it turned to the west. Means how it is drawn, it is not like a 180-degree meridian, it is not a straight line. So in order to pass ideal only on ocean areas, ideal is turned to east or turned to west of the 180-degree meridian. You can see the red line has shown in the diagram. Means ideal is not a straight line like a 180-degree meridian. So in other words, ideal is drawn in a such a way to avoid passing over the land, and the ideal has been changed as and when required. The last change was made in the part of the ideal coincides with the 180-degree meridian. Now we are going to study next point, the importance of ideal. See, the ideal brings coordination between international airlines, transportation services, economic and trade activities. Means in today's globalization, transportation, communication, international travel and international trade has increased at the global level, and besides this, transport, travel, trade are taking place between the very far off places, and hence ideal is very useful in keeping good coordination between the date and day which always changes due to travel. And ideal is also helpful in managing proper schedule or traffic worldwide. Means ideal has been carved out of necessity of coordinating time and the date at the global level while traveling, how to change the day and date. This is the very important. That's why these are the importance of the ideal. Next, last point, you can see that ideal helps to keep a track of all the calculation of the day and time accurately. Means ideal is a very useful in keeping good coordination between the day and date which always changes due to the travel. And it is because of ideal the schedule of the traffic worldwide is organized properly. We have seen that ideal is also helpful in managing proper schedule of traffic worldwide. In this lesson, we have already studied about the international dateline solution of the days and what are the importance of the ideal. Thank you.